Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Donji TT for those who know me and for those of you who do, thank you for joining another wig review. Today's wig that I'll be reviewing today is by Outre. So go ahead and watch me install the wig and then come back and I'll give you my 2 cents of whether you should be picking this wig up. Let's go.
Music sounds better dancing even when I'm alone. I lost the beat, had to find it all on my own. If you're not gonna let me live, gotta let it go. Tired of life in the lines, wanna lose control, lose control. All my time won't be wasted on feeling like I'm faded. I'm back in Technicolor, Technicolor, Technicolor. I'm back in Technicolor, Technicolor, Technicolor. I've been getting better, singing on cloudy days. Guess to find the rainbow, gotta go through the rain. If it's not gonna bring me up, gotta go up, up and away. Tired of life in gray, wanna fill up the space, fill up the space. All my time won't be wasted on feeling like I'm faded. I'm back in Technicolor, Technicolor, Technicolor. I'm back in Technicolor, Technicolor, Technicolor. I can feel it taking over. I'm moving closer back to me. I'm back in Technicolor, Technicolor, Technicolor. All my time won't be wasted on feeling like I'm faded. No more tears wash me away. I'm remembering who I was, 'cause I'm back in Techno. I'm back in Technicolor, Technicolor, Technicolor. I'm back in Technicolor, Technicolor, Technicolor. I can feel it taking over. You're moving closer back to me. I'm back in Technicolor, Technicolor, Technicolor. I'm back in Techno, I'm back in color, color. I'm back in Techno, I'm back in color. I'm back in Techno, I'm back in color, color. Back to me. Music sounds better dancing even when I'm alone. I lost the beat, had to find it all on my own. If you're not gonna let me live, gotta let it go. Tired of life in the lines, wanna lose control, lose control. All my time won't be wasted on feeling like I'm faded. I'm back in Technicolor, Technicolor, Technicolor. I'm back in Technicolor, Technicolor, Technicolor. I've been getting better, singing on cloudy days. Guess to find the rainbow, gotta go through the rain. If it's not gonna bring me up, gotta go up, up and away. Tired of life in gray, wanna fill up the space, fill up the space. All my time music sounds better dancing even when I'm alone. I lost the beat, had to find it all on my own. If you're not gonna let me live, gotta let it go. Tired of life in the lines, wanna lose control, lose control. All my time won't be wasted on feeling like I'm faded. I'm making technicolor, technicolor, technicolor. I'm making technicolor, technicolor, technicolor. I've been getting better, singing on cloudy days. Guess to find the rainbow, gotta go through the rain. If it's not gonna bring me up, gotta go up, up and away. Tired of life in gray, wanna fill up the space, fill up the space. All my time won't be wasted on feeling like I'm faded. I'm making technicolor, technicolor.
So now that you watch me install the wig, let's go ahead and talk about some specs about the wig. The wig that I have is Outre Dione in the color DRFF Red Velvet. Dione has premium synthetic fibers, 5-inch deep part, soft transparent HD lace, completely pre-plucked hair. She has a completely pre-plucked hairline and sideburns. She has a pre-wide elastic band for a secure fit. She does come with 3 combs as well as adjustable straps. She is heat safe up to 400 degrees. The hair pattern is wavy, the hair texture is silky, and the lace color is nude. She is a center part and does have 5-inch parting space. So with that being said, what do you think about Dione? This is what she looks like. So I got the exact color on the stock card. Yep. So this is what she looks like. What do you guys think about Dione? Would you be picking her up? She is kind of long. She is bigot friendly, but she sheds. She sheds. My girl sheds, okay? She did tangle a bit when I first got her, but now she's good. No more tangling, but just a shedding. But like I said, she is bigot friendly. She is beginner friendly. You don't have to glue her down if you don't want to. But and you don't have to put the baby hairs if you don't want to. So she is very simple, easy to apply. Nothing to her. You could add extra curls because she is heat safe up to 400 degrees. So yeah, what would I rate Dione? I'll give Dione, because she sheds so much, 8.5, because it's a bit much for me. So the length is 20 inches, and y'all know how I feel about long hair. But yeah, she's not that bad. Besides the shedding, she's a okay wig. Nothing too bad that you can't fix. So yeah, if you got the end of the video, you're the real MVP. Don't forget to like the video, share the video, and I'll see you next week. Bye guys.